Let's make braided bread rolls today, using white bread flour, milk, and butter. You will need flour, milk, butter, salt, yeast, poppy seeds, and sesame seeds. Place 500 grams of white bread flour in a mixing bowl. Add dried yeast, following the instructions on the pack. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 50 grams of butter. And finally, add 250 milliliters of milk. Knead the dough for 10 minutes, using a wooden spoon or a food mixer. Once the dough is smooth, leave it to raise, in a warm place, for half an hour. Cover the bowl with a kitchen towel. After half an hour, place the dough on a lightly floured surface, and divide the dough into 8 parts. Roll each piece into a long stick. Form a little loop, like this. Pull the other end through the loop. Twist the loop, and slot the end of the dough inside. Pinch the dough, to secure the braided roll. Do the same with the rest of the dough pieces. Brush each braided roll with milk. Place sesame seeds into a bowl, or on a plate. Dip the rolls into the seeds. Do the same with poppy seeds. Place the rolls onto a baking tray, lined with parchment paper. Cover them with a kitchen towel, and leave them to raise for at least half an hour. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, and bake the rolls for about 15 minutes, or until they turn golden brown. Let them cool off completely. The buns will be very fluffy inside, and they are delicious.